Hello, I'm Neil Mullarkey, speaker and member of the Comedy Store Players. I've been invited here to be the facilitator, so to do the bits in between, to introduce the speakers. There was quite a lot of cerebral, mentally challenging stuff, so I came in every now and again, gave a bit of energy, a bit of fun, a bit of lightness. And also I've done a session about improv, the form of theatre I do where the audience gives suggestions, but how do we transfer those skills about being in the moment to organisational development? How do organisations borrow those skills of agility and creating collaboratively to leadership? I did the session, it was very exciting. They were very forthcoming. They wanted to have fun, they wanted to play. We've discovered all sorts of performing talent. You must come to OD24 at Roffey Park Institute. It'll be fun. You're going to learn so much. You're going to meet so many other people facing the same problems, offering similar solutions or completely radical ideas to you, to mix and have fun and learn and feel really comfortable with people speaking your language.